Thinking about ordering from Molly and Moon London in 2026? You may want to watch this first, because this store gives a mixed impression that shoppers should look at carefully before spending money. Molly and Moon London presents itself as a stylish fashion brand with trendy products, eye-catching discounts, and a polished website that looks professional at first glance. The product photos are attractive, prices seem tempting, and the store is clearly designed to grab attention fast. But once you look deeper, the experience appears less straightforward. Some buyers online mention being satisfied with what they received, saying items arrived and matched expectations reasonably well for the price. On the other hand, there are also complaints about longer than expected shipping times, inconsistent material quality, sizing issues, and difficulty getting fast responses from customer support. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does suggest that expectations should be realistic. One of the biggest concerns with stores like this is that marketing can feel stronger than the actual buying experience. Discounts that seem too good to ignore may simply be standard pricing tactics, and return policies should always be read carefully before placing an order. If you decide to buy, it would be smarter to start with a small order instead of spending a large amount right away. Use a secure payment method that offers buyer protection, and double-check shipping details before checkout. Based on everything reviewed, Molly and Moon London does not appear to be an obvious scam, but it also doesn't come across as a highly trusted premium brand with consistently glowing feedback either. It sits somewhere in the middle, where some customers may be happy while others could face delays or disappointment depending on what they order. Final verdict: legit enough to exist as an online store, but risky enough that cautious shopping is the best approach. If you want peace of mind, research carefully first and keep expectations moderate before buying anything.